And this is where interdisciplinary delves into where physics meets linguistics. Why is a sarcastic statement literal, but the contrasting interpretation derived from tone? And it has to do with the intonation, inflection, cadence, and tonal modulation, the rise and fall in speech. And this is an area in linguistics, where we get into phonetics and phonology. So that's a brief intro of what I do, my 4 areas of study: cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary disciplines. Now, my hobby is I have 2 special interests: music and art. I like drawing and painting. And today's video is a discussion on the correlation, the correspondence, the relationship between music and art. We're going to cover a lot of different dynamics. And in music, I like to write, compose, arrange, transpose, transcribe. I can read sheet music. I can also write. And I find writing or transcribing and transposing is difficult. Transposing is when you change the key of one song to arrange it in another key. Transcribing is when you convert a composition to sheet music. And what I find intriguing with music and art is there's a lot of relationship, because in art you have composition. Art is composition, it's self-explanatory. So in art,